Alright, I am out here because I want to give you guys a quick update that something happened last year in March 2025. So, I was out here and I was addressing something. And then all of a sudden, I heard a squeak coming from behind me. And it sounded like it came from over there. And then a few minutes later, while I was filming that way, I saw something white shoot to the left. So I looked through the ring cameras and I see there is a weird carnivorous bird that flew past the houses. And you guys remember, because I don't know if I have released a video or not, but I'll show you. This bird was on that fence right there. It flew up to this tree and it made a weird squeak. Now, it's hard to really tell if it sounds the same because while I was addressing something, I heard a massive squeak right behind me. Well, it wasn't massive, it was kind of loud. So I'm thinking, that is that weird carnivorous bird. And then, a few nights later, as I was right here, looking around, addressing other things, a weird carnivorous bird flew that way. And I would like to release the videos, but sadly they're in the other drive. And the drive isn't working, so I gotta figure out how to download data recovery software to bring these videos back so I could show you guys what I'm talking about. The reason you guys heard my voice sound a little bit faint-ish is because I had to cover my face because of the high pollen issue. So like I said, since it's March, the weird carnivorous bird could be around somewhere. I might not get it on camera this year. Depends if I don't be outside every single night.